Brewing vessel used for tea preparation. Steep tea powder in hot water, add sugar, and let the sweetened tea cool for fermentation. Observing kombucha culture SCOBY used for the next starter addition process. Introduce a rubbery SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, to the cooled tea to initiate the fermentation process. Cover container. Let SCOBY consume sugars for a week, producing acids and carbonation. After fermentation, kombucha is filled into bottles, which pass through a conveyor to the bottle rinser. Bottle rinser cleans and sanitizes bottles, removing residues or contaminants before filling. Bottles move to the filling process, accurately transferring kombucha to reach a 285 milliliters level while ensuring hygiene and efficiency. After filling, bottles move to the capping process, where caps are placed and sealed tightly with crown caps to ensure a secure and reliable seal. After capping, bottles pass through a high-pressure shower tunnel to remove debris and excess liquid. Following water cleaning, bottles proceed to the air knife unit, where pressurized air expels through a narrow slot to dry off the bottle surface, removing excess liquid. After air drying, bottles undergo crucial visual inspection to detect defects, irregularities, abnormalities, and foreign particles. Inspected bottles move to labeling, where descriptive labels with manufacturing details, expiration date, price, and batch code are adhered. After labeling, bottles move to bubble pouch packing for protection during transit. Inner carton box packing places 4 kombucha bottles for extra protection and structural integrity during transportation. Inner cartons are master packed, placing 4 kombucha inner cartons into a large carton for streamlined handling and protection during transit. In strapping, a strap secures outer packing, preventing carton opening during transit and providing extra bottle protection. Final quality check ensures product meets standards, identifies issues, and ensures customer satisfaction before distribution. Each master box is stamped with a unique symbol for transportation obstacle avoidance. The final finished good will transfer to warehouse for before final dispatch.